Hello, can you all hear me? Okay, welcome all of you. Sorry, I had to grab a drink and some food. Okay, hang on. Okay, if you all can hear me, can you just give me a thumbs up, please? And let me just share my screen, okay? How are we all doing? It's a long weekend, right? I'm deciding to change a bit of my rules this time around. I'm giving you a bit of leeway to share with me about your week. Okay, you can see my screen, right? Just so to confirm. Okay, let me just put it on full screen mode. 1 second. Okay, so tell me, students, how's your week? All of you doing okay? You can respond, no? Or have I not unmuted you guys? Hang on, participant.
Oh, hi.
Yes, you can actually respond. Uh, okay, I will let you. Hang on. Okay, I will unmute you guys now. Okay, and then we'll get some response, and then later I will mute it.
99, 108.
Okay, for those of you who,
Oh,
okay, I need to make it clear that for those of you who have background noise, right, can you please try to make sure that it's as soft as possible because it's very distracting for the rest of us. Okay, please help me out with that, yeah, students. Okay, and we can start with today's lesson. Okay, remember, go and download your pre-class notes, okay, in the worksheet. If you cannot print it out, it doesn't matter, but you may want to just drop me a text and explain to me why you cannot print out the worksheet more. I had a chat with your dad, I think about 2 weeks ago. Your dad was texting me. Okay, so welcome to class. Okay, we just do away with today's rules, right? Okay, I will want to see all your faces. Okay, so let's just go through our oral communication now. All of you okay? Okay, all of you comfortable? Yeah, grab a drink. Okay, now we'll start. Reading aloud, stimulus-based conversation, 10 marks, 20 marks, right? Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to practice one of each today. Okay, if you have my pre-class notes, you will already know that it's all there. Remember, we focus on three different acronyms, right? ACE, we use appropriate intonation, stress, pace, pauses, right? Make sure that whenever we're reading at an appropriate pace, appropriate intonation, right? Okay, as best as we can with clear pronunciation, and of course, to be very expressive. Okay, now I'm going to do away with this, right? Take note of the kind of text you're given, right? Is it an announcement, a speech, a report, right? Is it about asking someone for help? Okay, is it about telling a story? Okay, remember, focus on your audience. Who is the text for? Who are you delivering the reading to? Okay, and is it just a fiction piece? Okay, now, things to remember again, yeah? Consistently good pronunciation, appropriate intonation, not have any hesitations. Okay, let me just not have any hesitation. Take note of the context of the passage, and of course use the context to help you effectively convey information, ideas, and feelings. I'm very happy. You know why? Because just now in my previous class, before this, I had a primary 3, primary 4 class, right? It was like thunderstorm. The sky was like so dark. Now it's like bright and shiny, and the clouds are like white, and the sky is like blue. And I'm so happy. Yes, so if you have bright and sunny weather now, well done, okay? Because it was really very dreary and depressing just now. I felt like, sometimes when the weather is like meh, I use the word meh because it's not ideal weather, right? You can't go out, you can't cycle, you can't be outdoors, right? Versus like if it's bright and sunny now, you can like go out and have fun. Okay, so let's just survive this 1 hour and we can go and chill, okay, outside, all right? Okay, now imagine you're telling a story to your friends. Read the story so that they will enjoy listening to you. Okay, I'm going to get volunteers to help me now. Okay, we have one, two, three. Oh, we just have three passages, three students helping us read. Okay, so who are the three? Sorry, who is this? Sorry, I'm sorry for the mispronunciation. Satvik and Hasini, right? I'm just gonna put help me out, okay? Because I'm just gonna put this, okay? Because I really don't know what is your name, actual name, right? Okay, so Justin. So this student you will read from here to here, okay? And then we will have more for the last one. Okay, students, so are we ready? Okay, I'm just gonna unmute the three of you. Okay, hang on. Yeah, Mo, where are you, sweetheart? Mo and then Justin, right? I'm gonna unmute the three of you. So please, um, when it's your turn to read, just go ahead. Okay, the three of you. All right. Okay, we can start now. Sorry, Satvik, is it? And
Yeah,
Hasni, you want to tell me what your name is that I could perhaps change it to?
my name is Sadvik.
Okay, so Satvik. Okay, so hang on. So I'll just remove the Hasni.
Yeah, you can.
Okay, Ken. Thank you so much, dear. Is your camera turned on though?
No.
Okay, okay, I'll leave it completely up to you whether you want to turn it on or not. All right. Okay, come. When we are ready, we can start reading.
Happy birthday, sleepyhead.
Then
Mr.
open
and
already.
Mrs. Wellington stood next to Eric's bed.
Ama ada po easy pi oma.
Eric struggled to open his eyes. He glanced at the bedside clock. It was 6 o'clock in the morning. Mom, Dad, it's 6 in the morning, cried Eric.
Okay, thank you, dear. Your pace is very good. Okay, I'm very happy with your pace. Okay, but I need you to actually try to put yourself in a
Ada
story.
mama ada mi tu ya.
Sorry, volume. The I think it's Justin, is it? Or Mo?
Please mo.
Okay. Remember you're unmuted. Mo, Justin, and Sadvik, right? So we actually can hear you. Okay. So Sadvik, feedback. Okay, pace was good. Okay, but I need you to put yourself a little bit more in the character's shoes. Okay, so happy birthday, sleepyhead, right? Try to really act it out.
Ada mama
Mom,
baby
Dad,
ni
it's
ya.
okay, sorry, Mo. I gotta mute you. It's a bit loud. Okay, Mom, Dad, it's 6 in the morning, right? Cried Eric. So put yourself in the character's shoes. Try to intonate as per what the character actually does. Okay, now the next student, thank you very much, yeah, Sadvik. Keep it up. Okay, Justin.
Yes, we know, honey, but we are leaving for work soon in an hour's time, and we don't want to miss being the first ones to wish you on your birthday, said his mother eagerly. And you have to wake up now to enjoy the breakfast we've prepared for you while it's hot.
Okay, thank you so much, Justin. I love your energy. Both of you actually had very good energy. Okay, but Justin, I think okay, so what is good about you is you're very confident, okay, and you're very cheerful, right? Which means that your tone is very positive. Okay, but what I'd like you to work on, right, is because you realize that when you got a lot of energy, when you have a lot of energy, right, when you're reading, sometimes you stumble on words, right? Or sometimes you find that it comes out a bit too forceful, right? So maybe what we can do to avoid that, right? Okay, to make it more conducive for the listeners who are listening to you so that it's a bit more pleasant, right? It doesn't sound so like too energetic already. Sometimes when people sound a bit too energetic, you're like a bit like you feel a bit more cautious, right? So maybe what we can do is we can try to reserve ourselves in terms of energy to make sure that we can pace ourselves throughout the um the text itself, because sometimes when we're too excited for one paragraph, right, we may not be able to sustain the energy throughout the entire text. You get what I mean? So maybe in this case, right, when you're reading excellent energy, you can keep it up, but try to reduce it slightly so that you firstly slow down in your reading. Okay, secondly, when you read, right, you don't make careless mistakes. Sometimes when you're too energetic, you tend to stumble on your words. That's when you either skip a word, you add in a word, very unnecessary sort of careless mistakes. Can Justin understand? Okay, thank you very much, dear, for your effort. Okay, Mo, you want to help me? Sorry, sweetheart, your background had some noise just now, so I had to like mute you. Okay, but now you're unmuted.
When they
Okay,
uh
okay.
when they stepped into the kitchen, Eric could not believe the spread his parents had prepared for him. It was indeed his birthday, but it seemed as though they had prepared a feast for a king. He gave his mother and father a hug. It was very sweet of them to want to celebrate his birthday with him before they went to work and before he went to school.
Sorry, Mo, which train are you catching?
Huh?
Which train are you catching, sweetheart? You read everything in like 15 seconds, I think. I was looking at your text, I was looking down at the worksheet, I look back, oh, you're done. First thing first, we got to slow down our pace, okay? Because you read so quickly. I'm pretty sure if I give you a second chance to read, you also read it so quickly. So slow down, okay? So your pace, you got to slow down, yeah? Okay, and then your pronunciation is pretty spot on, okay, but because of your speed I couldn't quite hear how you pronounce the words. Okay, so I'd like to give you a chance, okay, to really slow down. Okay, let me show you what I mean. Okay, when they stepped into the kitchen, Eric could not believe the spread his parents had prepared for him. It was indeed his birthday, but it seemed as though